Welsford, the road starts to rise. Here they come, the men in green and yellow.
Here comes the train. They've got control. Ryan on the front, Ryan Mullen, and then they're being split at the moment as McClay gets in on the act, I think, from Arkea. But again, it looks as though Ineos are losing control here.
It's Gurmei's on the wheel of Unpopol, and they're all sitting up and looking. Narvaez out to the right-hand side. Gurmei gets caught in between the lead out.
This is a mix-up. This is a confusion here by the riders of Bora Hansgrohe. It might present us with a different result here because Ineos are still leading out for the line now. The line is not very far away. Gurmei is trying to get on terms, but it's not going to be at the moment. The blue jersey coming now of Welsford. Welsford sees the finish. He looks over his shoulder. Happy birthday, Sam. 28 today.
Well, it's a hat-trick for his birthday for Sam Welsford. They got a little bit